Hello everyone and welcome to Mindful Mondays. Today I wanted to offer to you the R.A.I.N activity, the R.A.I.N exercise. And R.A.I.N is an acronym, so it's R-A-I-N. Some people add an S. I think I'm going to stick with just the R.A.I.N because it's a little bit simpler and we can add the S to the N. So R.A.I.N. I really like this exercise. This is a really good one if you are experiencing a lot of negative emotions or having repetitive or difficult thoughts or concerns or worries, which right now, who's kind of not having some difficult thoughts and some difficult emotions with everything that's going on. So the R.A.I.N process, each letter stands for a part of the process. So let's start with the R. The R stands for recognize, and that's recognizing what is happening. And just like all of these mindful activities, this is a call to mindfulness. The R is recognize what's really going on right now. And for some people, for everyone, that's going to mean something a little bit different. For some people, it's a simple recognizing what emotion you're feeling, labeling that emotion. I am feeling sad. I am feeling frustrated. I am feeling angry. I am feeling lonely or hopeless. For others, it can be recognizing what's going on in this thought process. I am worrying about money again. I am concerned about a friend. I am feeling sad about a fight that I had with my best friend. And we're going to name and label and recognize what is really going on. We're not avoiding what's going on. And we can even take it just a little step further and we can remove the I am from this. We can say, for instance, worry about money right now. That's what's going on, is worry about money, or concern about a friend, or fear about not passing a class. So that's the R. We're recognizing what is really going on in this moment. The A stands for allow. Or accept. And this is not acceptance that the thing that's going on is good. It's not oh, okay, worrying about money is a good thing, or concern for a friend is a good thing. It's not saying that. It's just simply allowing and accepting that that's the thing that's going on. This is the opposite of avoidance. Excuse me. And allowing what is happening can be really, really hard. This can actually be one of the hardest parts of this. You can start by, or maybe kind of experiment with saying things like yes, adding the word yes before and or after what it is that's going on. Yes, worry about money again. Yes, concern about a friend. Yes, fear about not passing a class. Yes. Or you can say something like, this too shall pass. Worry about money again. This too shall pass. Concern for a friend. This too shall pass. That's not denying that the thing is going on. That's not saying it's good. It's just allowing it to be as it is. And the I stands for investigate or inquire with kindness. So you're investigating kind of gently into not just the problem. You're not a detective here looking to solve the case or resolve the problem. Investigating is more kind of a turning inward and asking yourself questions like, what is really going on here? What do I need right now? Maybe I don't so much need to worry about resolving a problem. Maybe I'm hungry. Maybe I need to eat something. Maybe I need to take a nap or get some sleep. Or maybe I need to call another friend right now. Are there actions that I can take to help out right now, help myself? How realistic are my thoughts right now? Am I thinking clearly? Doing some reality testing. Is the concern that I have realistic? Or is it maybe something that I have absolutely no control over right now? You can ask yourself a lot of these questions, like also like what's connected to these thoughts and feelings? What might have triggered these thoughts and feelings? Asking yourself to think a little bit more and kind of inquire within yourself. So you're doing some introspection here more than problem solving. The N stands for nourish with self-kindness. And there's two really important parts of self-compassion that we really want to look at right now. Is the self-compassion part, the compassion, the kindness part, and that's being kind and gentle with yourself. And that kind of ties into that allowing and accepting peace and investigating. We're not saying that there's something wrong and that we should have tried to do something differently. It's this gentleness and kindness and compassion that we're showing ourselves in the same way that we would show another human being. We're giving that to ourselves. And then there's also this recognition that while our experience is unique, everyone has a unique experience of the world, many people experience some of the same things. So if you're worried about a friend, that's a pretty universal concern. That's something that not only you has or will ever experience. If you're worried about money, many people are worried about money right now. If you're worried about not passing a class right now, that's a fear, that's a concern that a lot of other students are having right now. So just recognizing that we're connected as humans and we share some of the same concerns and that you're not alone in that concern. So that's the R.A.I.N process. Again, it's R-A-I-N, recognize, allow, investigate, and nourish with self-compassion. I think I'm going to do a separate video in a bit, and we'll do a R.A.I.N exercise. So we'll actually pause and take some time, and I'll ask some questions in the way sort of directed at you, and we'll do the actual activity of the actual R.A.I.N activity. So it was nice to see you again, and I hope you have a happy and healthy Monday, and take care. Bye-bye.